Microelectronics devices include the attachment of billions of bare die ICs, capacitors, inductors, filters, and other components annually. While the industry suffers from many incoming packaging as a root cause for automation failures, downtime, damaged devices, and rework, few are able to admit or execute on the little data available that shows the chip tray and lid packaging systems selection as a cause of many issues. From component out-of-pocket migration, COOP, to jam component in pocket failures, JSIP, these devices, which can be small enough to be considered dust by most standards, are literally being swept under the rug and thrown away, or even worse, put back into the tray or into process with an unknown working condition. The farther the component makes it through the process, the higher the rework cost and collateral damage when removal is required. Automation failures, tooling, and equipment damage are enormous cost drivers, leading to downtime and key resources being dispatched to diagnose and resolve problems that come from a poor package selection. X-ray usage as a standard for incoming inspection must be implemented to prevent the start of a cascading disaster, but how can a correct packaging selection occur when over 2 million permutations of tray and lid combinations exist? Even when an engineer selects what they think is a good solution, 95% of the time there is a better one. Introducing the Forgione Chip Tray Super Selector. The CTSS is a tool that makes selecting the best packaging option less like a shot in the dark and more like hitting the nail on the head. Reduce die migration, ESD risk, and handling damage with data-backed selections of trays and lids. These selections help you avoid the 5 core failure modes: oversized pockets, undersized pockets, tray and lid warpage, improper lid selection, and improper material selection. Our algorithm parses through a unified catalog of standard chip trays from Entegris and Gel-Pak to give you packaging options that prevent your components from flipping, migrating out of pocket, excessive lateral rotation within the pocket, and more of your packaging nightmares. There are only 4 steps to smarter packaging choices that will help you reduce risk, save time, improve yield, and lower cost. First, input the component dimensions and tolerance, material requirements, or other restrictions. Next, click the Analyze button to run our advanced engine. Then, review the ranked tray and lid options to select the options that meet your needs. And finally, export the report to share with management or to dictate packaging selection to suppliers. Enterprise versions of the app suite allow for selection report approval routings to management, usage reports with data from the factory implementation, forums for tray feedback from employees across your organizations, read-only syncs to ERP PLM systems, batch mode analysis for an entire bill of materials, and more. Small company? No problem. We offer a Pro and Essential tier with various levels of features and offer a one-time selection option to select the best packaging and generate a report for one component. Forgione CTSS. Have the latest technology. Upgrade your possibilities.